Okay, so let's finish with our CRUD functionality. We did already the get method, the post method, so now we're gonna update it. I have already started the server. It's running in port 5000. I have my cluster right here, and oops, yeah, browse connections, and yeah, this is my test and bikes, and I also have it right here in Compass. So as you can see, we already have these bikes, and we have 3 objects with different ID here. So my first bike, my second bike, third bike. So we are gonna update it and then delete it, so we can finish the CRUD functionality: create, update, and delete. Okay, so we are gonna go into, let's close this one, and now get post, we are gonna go into update. So here, okay, so we are gonna go right here, and now we are gonna create this. So we're gonna name it, let me see, we're gonna have this bikes. Okay, so this variable bikes, and we are gonna await. Okay, so it's gonna await because this is asynchronous. It's gonna await from my, what is this, okay, here from bikes. So this is my model. So with with the first one is uppercase B, so bikes, and this bikes is gonna have a find by. So let me see, okay, so cons bikes, and it's gonna be await bikes, and it's gonna be find by, yeah, find by ID. That's fine. Okay, so we're gonna open parentheses. Okay, now I did it here, find by ID, and we're gonna have the request. Okay, request dot params dot ID, like that. And let me see, so once we have, oops, ID has to be, you can save it right now. And so we are gonna go below. So if we're gonna go right here, so we're gonna have if there is not, so if there is not bikes, so if there is no bikes, we're gonna open, yeah, put it like that. So we're gonna open curly braces, and now we are gonna have a rest that status. Okay, rest that status, and we're gonna pass in 400. Now we're gonna throw new, okay, new error, like that. We're gonna pass in new error, and inside the parentheses we're gonna pass in, let me see, bikes not found, like that. Okay, so if there is no bike, so we're gonna have we're gonna throw a 400, and then bikes not found. If it is found, then we're gonna update it. So we're gonna update bikes, but it has to be updated. So because here we have update bikes, so this would be updated bikes, or you can put another name so you don't get confused. Okay, and again we're gonna await. So we're gonna await for the, let me see, we're gonna wait for the uppercase, so for the model, so for the model bikes. Okay, and now we are gonna find it. So let me see, it's gonna be updated by, so camel notation, await bikes, find by, find by ID, and okay, so camel notation, and let me see, update, like that. Okay, so, and again we're gonna pass in request that params that ID, like that. Okay, and that will be the first argument. So the second argument, that will be the request that body. Okay, the request that body. And our third argument, that would be an object. I mean an options object, that would be pretty much boolean true, like that. Boolean true, like that. Which is gonna just create it if it doesn't exist. And now with the JSON, so we're gonna delete this whole thing, and we want to respond with the updated, so it's gonna be with the updated, this one, not the update but the updated bytes, and we can save it. Okay, and now we're gonna open Postman. Okay, and let's open another tab, and I'm gonna have it right here, and we're gonna have an ID, so it's gonna be put. Okay, so if we go into get and we send it, we're gonna have three. Okay, yeah, text my first byte, my second byte, and my third byte, as you can see in the compass. Okay, so what we are gonna do is let's update it, the first one. So we're gonna update my first byte, so I'm gonna take in this ID, so in my case it starts from this 6 and ends up in this 0. Okay, so I'm gonna go right here, I'm gonna put in slash and paste it, and now I'm gonna go into the body. I'm gonna have it here, let me see, yeah, I'm gonna have it I'm gonna go into the body, and I'm gonna have in text. Okay, oops, I'm gonna let me see if maybe I make it a small text, and here in the text, okay, so here in the text, let me see, what we are gonna put is just updated bike. Let's send it, let me see. Okay, okay, so this ID text updated. So let me see right now, if we go into compass, for example, we have my first bike, so this one has been updated. It doesn't show up because I haven't refreshed it yet, and here it says my first bike, so I'm gonna send it, so I can refresh it, and as you can see, updated bike, that's fine. So let's do the second one, and let me see, let's update the second one. So let's do like that, and after the slash, just type in or paste and copy the ID, and it's gonna be updated. And what is the name? Second bike. So updated, let me see, or just like that, second, like that. Second bike, like that. So let's send it, updated second bike. Let's go into let's send it here into the get. Let's send it, and we have updated bike, that's the first one, and here we have updated second bike, and you can do the updated for the third one. And if we go, let me see here, second byte. Let's refresh it. Okay, updated byte and updated second byte, as you can see. So we have updated. So